I was requested to make a comment on Division Omega's principle of hate and global extermination. I don't know German, and I'm not terribly familiar with the selections that get mixed into this, but my comment is as follows. Abuse drives people crazy. People don't threaten or get absorbed into causes over nothing. Nation and sociality becomes an important vehicle of strength. Personalities will be praised. A display of destructive power overwhelms ideas of our greatness. The march on is unstoppable as the details of the plan are filled in. A cause is heard, but some things will happen. A person can pass by or go through many horrors in life. So many become part of the system. We struggle to act as much as to understand. We develop and go into automatic modes. The news and entertainment tries to have its say, but it is not over. We are becoming. The survivors can glory in the transformation. And I think this was one of the ones originally sold by Martinet Press. And of course, it was for the Temple of Blood and siege culture audience. So you could have different intentions that come through depending on which side of that one favors or if one mixes that in. But remember that Temple of Blood, like other Order of Nine Angles associated groups, the political types and sides and modes and such are as a vehicle, much like people would wear certain symbols or say certain things to be punk. Now, it's a different type of spirit, but it's similar in that way.